everyone, I'm Marc Bañeres Ferran, and I'm from Lleida, Spain. I'm here to show you the first task of the GSoC 2025 prerequisites. First of all, I'm gonna show you that I have installed the Liquid Galaxy on 3 virtual machines. As you can see, the Liquid Galaxy is working correctly. Now, I'm gonna use the Subnox visualization tool app to test the Liquid Galaxy. And to do that, first of all, I'm gonna connect the app. As you can see, the username, password, IP address, and port is already here. This is because I have done some tests before. Let's connect the app. Now, the app is connected to the Liquid Galaxy. Let's use some functions of the app. Now, to start, let's see the trajectory of this satellite. Let's press Viewing Galaxy. Now, let's press Simulate to see the trajectory of the satellite in movement. Before trying another function of the app, let's clean the KML. As you can see, the KML has been cleaned in the Liquid Galaxy. Now, let's try this again, but using the ground station. Let's press Viewing Galaxy. Let's see this ground station with the orbit mode on. As you can see, everything works correctly. With this video ends. I hope you have liked it. Bye!
Hello, myself Om Sharma. I am an undergraduate student at Polaris School of Technology in Bangalore, and this is my task run for preliminary task of Liquid Galaxy GSoC 2025. So, here are my 3 tricks which are working perfectly fine without any issue. So we can just move this here and there and it is working perfectly fine. Here is the app launched named Subnox. This app was made by Michael Elguera, and the purpose of this app is it visualizes satellites and ground stations, and these are the key features. And whenever I click on any satellite like View on Galaxy, then it just shows the path, the route of the particular satellite. Like this, which is fully functional. And when I just click on the simulate button, then it's just provide the simulation of the particular satellite. And when I just click orbit, it provides the 360 view around this satellite. Now moving ahead to the second feature, this ground station. Ground station is like when I just click on this, it will relocate us to the particular location. And there is also an orbit option which will provide us the 360 view. Yes, so that's the whole working of this app. This was it for the first task submission video of preliminary task, and I look forward contributing and working with Liquid Galaxy, and a big thanks for the opportunity as well.
Hi, I'm Yash Bagela. I'm doing my computer science from IIIT Sonipat, I'll show you the installed LG on my computer now. As you can see, I've already downloaded LG and 3 virtual machines on which LG is running. And zoom on it so you can see that all VMs are in sync and the rig is working perfectly fine. Yeah, everything is in sync. So here is the emulator for running the SetNox app. So we can see a satellite, visualize the satellite on the rigs. Yeah, so rig is in sync, satellite is shown. We can simulate so that we can see the satellite moving. Yeah, everything is smooth and working fine. I'll stop the simulation, clear the path. So we can see that from the SetNox app we can also control the rigs. I can refresh it, I can clear the KML and logos and relaunch. I've already cleared the logos. I can reboot a power off from here as well. So yeah, that's the functionality of SetNox.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Bhattacharya. I am a second year computer science engineering student from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, Amethi, India, and I will be showcasing the first pre-required task for the Liquid Galaxy Google Summer of Codes. So here is my laptop screen. I am running 3 virtual machines. LG1 is my main virtual machine. LG2 and 3 are my slave virtual machine. Here is the Liquid Galaxy rig, as you can see. So this is the rig. Along with that, you can see I'm pinging this rig at this IP address. I'm getting the response also. Along with that, as for controller app, I'm running SatNox visualization tool on my Android emulator, which is running Google Pixel 6a API 35 via Android Studio. So for demo purpose, this is the satellite for which we can see it. So if you want to simulate it, you can see here. It is being getting simulated here. This satellite. If I zoom it. And if you want to see other satellites also, suppose we say Secor 4. So V1 Galaxy. So you can see it's getting updated. So yeah, you can see it's Secor 4 live. Suppose if you want to, let's say, this one website, this is the details. V1 Galaxy. So yeah, this is it. You can see the satellite is being presented there. Along with that, for responsiveness of this app, you can see if I want to like relaunch. So yeah, this is it. You can see it's being reloaded again. So that's it for today. So this is my submission for the first pre-required task for Google Summer of Codes 2025 Liquid Galaxy. Thank you for viewing this. Looking forward for future progress. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Yanni Thakur and this is the video proof of the completion of my task 1. So here is the setup I have created. The central is the master machine while the other two are the slaves. Also, this is the emulated device smartphone I have created, and for the demonstration I'll be using the SatNox app. So as you can see that the SatNox logo has also appeared over here. So now let's now see this tranches 5.8 V1 Galaxy, and as you can see here it goes. Here we can see the satellite over here, and all the details are shown over here. The further details are shown in the right side of the screen. Now let's see some other satellites. Let's have a look at this. Okay, here it goes. Here is our satellite. From over here we can also select the orbit period. And can say simulate, and here it goes. We can see the path of the satellite. We can slow down the orbit rate, and it will be taking a little bit of time to show. And now simulate. So here it is. So this is all about the task 1 demonstration video. Thank you.
Hello, I am Karan Kumar Das, a BTech undergraduate of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT BHU Varanasi. Today I am going to show the demonstration of the first task. So let me show that I am recording the video, and this is the PC. Now for showing the demonstration, let me flip the camera. So these are my 3 VMs. LG1 is the master machine, and LG2 and LG3 are slave machine. So now let me open the 3 VMs. So here it is LG1, it's LG2, and it's LG3. So these are my 3 liquid galaxy rigs, and you can see that these 3 rigs are in sync. Now let me zoom in and zoom out, and you can see these 3 LG rigs are in sync. Now for testing these rigs, I am using a 6 pixel phone emulator. So now I am showing the device specification of the emulator. So this is the emulator that I am using, and this is the info of the emulator. So this is the emulator, and you can see that it's connected with the liquid galaxy rigs. Now let me show the simulation of transit 5B satellite from this emulator. You can see the transit 5B satellite simulation. So now let me start the simulation. You can see it's working fine. Okay. Now let me stop the simulation, and now let's try with another satellite. So let me run SolarAD 7B satellite. It's also working fine, and let me show the simulation. You can see it's working fine. Now we can also control the liquid galaxy rigs from this emulator. So now let me shut down my liquid galaxy rigs. So you can see that 3 VMs are shut down. That's it, and I'm very excited to contribute to the Liquid Galaxy project, and thank you for watching.